Hey guys, my name is Lucas and I'm starting a new YouTube channel about Bitcoin or crypto mining companies. In this video I want to give you a little overview about me, my background, and what I plan to do there. And then we will, in the following videos, we will analyze all the mining companies, compare them, and so on. But let's start first. Yes, I'm from Germany. Yeah, I'm in the energy economy. I'm working there in the energy economy. So all these energy numbers, are common for me. That's why I like this mining very much because there are huge amounts of energy used there, and for me this is very interesting. Um, yeah, a lot of people they ask me why should I invest in miners? Should I invest in mining companies or in Bitcoin? And I think first of all you should invest in Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the innovation. It's on the blockchain. It's I would say it's more secure. It's safer because Bitcoin cannot go bankrupt, in my opinion, but a mining company can. So first of all, you should have Bitcoin, and then if you want to leverage Bitcoin, there are different alternatives. I think most people are talking about altcoins because in the next bull run, they think that the altcoins will outperform Bitcoin. I think this could be true, but with altcoins, I have a little trouble because often you don't know a lot about these teams behind them. What are they doing? What are the plans? Often it's only plans and no execution there. So and a lot of scams are also there. So I'm not a big fan of altcoins. Maybe Ethereum. I like Ethereum and maybe one or two other, but I think Bitcoin is the number one, and that's why I focus on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, a little bit Ethereum also. Um, so I would say mining companies are a leverage to Bitcoin and an alternative to altcoins. Um, why do I think that it's a leverage to BTC? In my opinion, Bitcoin is like gold, but better. It's digital gold. And if you look at gold and gold mining stocks, usually in the in a bull market, the mining stocks in gold perform better than gold itself. I think it's very easy. Why? Let's say the production cost for 1 ounce of gold is $1,000, and if the price is at 1,100, the mining company has $100 per ounce in income. So if the gold price rises to $2,000, the gold price doubled from 1,000 to 1,100 to 2,000, so nearly doubled. But the income of the miner had 10x, increased by 10x, from $100 to $1,000. So that's I think in Bitcoin it's the same. They have the production costs, which is the major part of that. It's electricity, and in the bear market, it's very hard to survive for these mining companies because the price was near the production costs. But now it's going in different directions. The price of Bitcoin increases, and the production cost, they increase also, but not as fast. So the income of these mining companies increases much more in percentage than the price of Bitcoin, and that's why I think it will, it will be a leverage to Bitcoin. Also, I think that these mining companies are very undervalued right now because most of people don't understand what they are doing. They invest in Bitcoin or in altcoins, but the young crazy people, let's say, they invest in Bitcoin and in altcoins. And the old people, The old finance, they invest in stocks, but not in Bitcoin stocks. So I think it's a market for a very small community now and very smart money right now. But it's changing now. The stock prices are rising now very fast. So you can see more people are aware of this. So in my opinion, it has a huge potential of these stocks from 10x to 100x. We will see which company will make it. But yeah, the potential is absolutely incredible. I think if Bitcoin rises in the next 1 or 2 years to maybe 200,000, this is my target. No financial advice here. No one knows where Bitcoin is going, but let's say between 100,000 US dollars and 200,000. Yeah, you can imagine how big this income of these miners could be. Yes. Um, I'm a number guy. I'm not that. I don't like chart technical stuff. I think the fundamentals in mining is much more interesting, and I like the numbers there. There are a lot of numbers available. We can check, so it's very easy to make calculations there. So I will not do chart techniques here. Um, yeah. After after the main part, I will check the miners and will compare them. And I will do a weekly video about each miner. Let's say start with Hive Blockchain, then with Hut8 and Bitfarms and so on. And if important things happen in the space, so if there are big news from a miner, I will also post a video. And yeah, I hope you write down in the comments which miners I should analyze, and we can discuss then later. Okay, so yeah, let's start a little bit with this chart here. I think in Bitcoin mining, it's not really the price what matters. The price is also part, but the really important number is the mining profitability. Let's zoom a little bit. So right now it's 13.4 US dollar cents per terahash. So there was a significant rise in the last few days here from the lows here of the bear market at 6 or 7 cents to today it's let's say 12 cents. So it nearly doubled. So the miners are making a lot more money right now. So this is very good. Another really important number are the fees. I think a lot of people forget the fees in the Bitcoin in the market, because miners, they get the fees, the transaction fees. The fees are now rising to $12 per Bitcoin transaction. So it's very expensive, but it's good for miners. And if we check the all-time chart here, we can see in the last bull market in 2017, the fees peaked at 55 US dollars. So we're not even close to this. And I think in the upcoming bull market, the fees will be much, much higher, maybe to $1,000 in the peak. I don't know exactly, but yeah, that's my estimate, or maybe $500, because we can see a 10x from the last bull run to the last bull run. It was 10x, and if we do 10x now, it's yeah, 500 US dollars. And that means that also the fee in reward gets up very fast. Fee in reward, this is the part of the block reward, which is from fees. And I think in this bull run, this will be much bigger than the regular reward of 6.25 bitcoins per block. I think in the peak, the reward for the fees could be more than 10 bitcoins, because if I check here, in the last bull run, it was at 40% the fee and reward. And if we do 10x here, we are at 400%. So the fees could be 4x bigger than the regular block reward. So this would improve the income significant of these miners. Yeah, let's check the hash rate. Yeah, furthermore, I have to mention that I'm from Germany, so my English is not perfect. I know that. I will improve, I think. But I think it's more about the numbers and it's less important about the language. So the hash rate of Bitcoin, it's very interesting. It dropped since 2 weeks. It's dropping very significant from 160 exahash to 100, 110, 120. Yeah, the media says it's because of China, because end of the wet season in Sichuan, and the miners are closing there, but they move to other regions. So I expect that the hash rate is soon rising again very fast when these miners are plugged in at another location. We will see. Maybe there were a few S9 miners from Bitmain which are now inefficient, and so maybe there will be also in a few days a drop. So yeah, we will see. Yeah, what's very interesting also is the difficulty change. The difficulty for mining one block dropped today. We have every two weeks we have an adjustment. This time it dropped by 16%. So that's a huge drop. So miners make 16% more Bitcoin or more money, and yeah, this is great for the miners. A lot of people don't understand this, so this is also a very significant number. I think here's the estimation for the next difficulty change, but it's in 2 weeks, so this number can change very, very big. So they are not important now. At the end of this week, we can check this again, and yeah, I think that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and yeah, we will see you soon. Bye.